When we think about the endless vastness of the universe, we always wonder about what mysterious objects may be found in other solar systems. Space exploration is still taking its first steps, and scientists worldwide are diligently dedicated to examining celestial bodies in our own planetary system. We can only imagine these planets and galactic entities beyond what we can see. If, by chance, an object from a distant galaxy makes a pit stop in our solar system, it will be a true intergalactic sensation. In the next video, we want to delve deeper into one of these mysterious objects and share this journey with all of you. Not long ago, NASA successfully found a fascinating object whose origin is at an unknown distance. We hope you enjoy this exciting topic, the comet. Coming from an alien world, the celestial body in question, extensively studied with the help of NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, is a comet named 2I-Borisov. The amazing NASA images show 2I-Borisov making rounds near a distant spiral galaxy. Particularly intriguing is the bright blue center of the comet. 2I-Borisov was discovered in August of last year. Surprisingly, the first person to identify the comet in the skies was not a renowned NASA official but a simple amateur astronomer who recognized it from his own home. After this man's discovery spread, NASA also kept an eye on this mysterious object and named the comet after the discoverer. Investigations revealed that 2I-Borisov was an extraordinary visitor from a foreign galaxy. Therefore, after Oumuamua, the comet became only the second known object to originate from interstellar space and visit us. Once NASA researchers realized the incredible discovery they had made, they observed the comet with the help of the agency's famous Hubble telescope. When the experts began their investigations, 2I-Borisov was about 326 million kilometers from our blue planet. Special focus was given to studying the comet's nucleus, as its size and structure can provide crucial information. Surprisingly, scientists found that the nucleus of 2I-Borisov was 15 times smaller than initially thought. The nucleus radius measures less than half a kilometer based on these values. With these findings, scientists can draw important conclusions for their research. Now, experts hope to detect more interstellar celestial bodies in our solar system in the future, coming from other galaxies. Subsequently, they aim to compare the findings and determine what differences and similarities galactic formations reveal. Celestial bodies like 2I-Borisov are not the only galactic formations. The Horologium supercluster shows us once again how diverse and extraordinary different structures in space can be. This gigantic structure is a collection of over 350,000 individual galaxies coexisting in a dense space. The Horologium supercluster is located between 700 million and 1.2 billion light-years from our Earth. The accumulation of different galaxies has a diameter of 550 million light-years and possesses a total mass of 100 quadrillion suns. Within the Horologium supercluster, we find Able 3266, a supercluster that is one of the most massive areas in our universe. A mysterious object in the Norma galaxy cluster, at a distance of about 220 million light-years from Earth, is much closer to our blue planet than the newly presented Horologium supercluster. Although the large galaxy cluster is comparatively close to Earth, observing the structure is much more challenging than one might initially presume. The reason for this is the fact that the Norma galaxy cluster is widely obscured by the interstellar dust of the Milky Way. This makes the discoveries researchers can gather, despite these adversities, even more significant. Some time ago, during their work, experts came across a mysterious object in the Norma galaxy cluster, which was later named the Great Attractor. The massive structure moves through space at a speed of 320,000 kilometers per hour. Later, it became known that the Great Attractor is an immensely large structure with a mass of 10 quadrillion suns. The Great Attractor has an incredible gravitational force that directly influences some surrounding cosmic structures, such as the galactic superstructure called U-1.27. It is composed of 73 quasars. Quasars are active galactic nuclei that appear to us in space as a pinpoint cone of light. Often, quasars are found in the vicinity of black holes. U-1.27 is also known as the Great Quasar Group due to its numerous quasars, currently considered the most massive structure in the known universe. U-1.22 spans an area of over 1 billion light-years. The discovery of this superstructure, however, left experts with some puzzles. Until now, it was assumed that the universe should always appear homogeneous on a macro scale, meaning that the universe would always have the same appearance, regardless of the observer's viewpoint. U1.27 breaks this thesis, known as the cosmological principle, and once again compels researchers to reconsider their findings about the nature of our universe. The Sloan Great Wall was discovered in 2003 as part of the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, a large-scale joint project of various organizations with the goal of systematically exploring large parts of the visible sky using various physical methods. During this project, international teams found the gigantic wall of galaxies, later called the Sloan Great Wall. The structure, composed of numerous individual galaxies, is located about 1 billion light-years from Earth and is 1.38 billion light-years long. With these gigantic dimensions, the Sloan Great Wall constitutes about 5% of the diameter of the visible universe for us. Additionally, the Sloan Great Wall shakes up the previous view of space exploration. Currently, experts' research is based on the assumption that the universe was created about 13.7 billion years ago. However, some physicists opine that a structure as giant as the Sloan Great Wall would have taken at least 100 billion years to fully form. Before we reach the end of today's video, we would like to take a look at a gigantic structure that has repeatedly caused a stir in space exploration. This immensely large object, called a blob in English, was long considered the largest known structure in space. At the same time, it is considered one of the oldest known structures in the universe. The mysterious object is composed of giant gas bubbles and mini-galaxies, known as Lyman alpha blobs. The massive cosmic blob is located about 11 billion light-years from our Earth and occupies a space of over 200 million light-years. The individual bubbles within the structure often have an incredible diameter of 400,000 light-years, 4 times longer than our own galaxy. Researchers suspect that the blob may not have formed until 2 billion years after the Big Bang. Furthermore, the structure has been moving more and more through space over thousands of years, meaning that today it is much further from its galactic birthplace than it was about 11 billion years ago. We hope you enjoyed our joint excursion to the most extraordinary objects and structures in the universe. Did you find any particular galactic structure fascinating? We always look forward to your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Thank you very much for your interest. Until next time.